everyone, welcome back to our Mutual Fund 101 series. In today's episode, we are diving into the world of small cap mutual funds. If you are looking to understand how to maximize growth potential with these high reward investments, you have come to the right place. But what exactly are small cap mutual funds? Small cap mutual funds are equity funds that allocate a significant portion of their capital to the stocks of small companies. According to Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI, small cap companies are those ranked 251 and beyond based on market capitalization. Fund managers see these stocks because of their potential to outperform larger, more established stocks. Now, let's talk about some features of small cap mutual funds. First is SEBI mandate. These funds must invest over 65% of their corpus in small cap stocks. Next is high growth potential. Small cap companies driven by innovation and adaptability offers the potential for explosive growth. Next is higher volatility. These emerging entities are more susceptible to market fluctuations, leading to higher volatility. Next one is diversification. Small cap funds provide exposure to a diversified basket of young companies. Next is long-term horizon. These funds are well suited to investors with a long-term horizon, ideally of 5 years or more. And lastly, active management. Success relies heavily on fund managers who carefully research and select high potential companies. Now let's talk about the benefits of small cap mutual funds. First one is higher returns. Historically, these funds have delivered higher returns over the long term compared to the large cap counterparts. Second one is beating inflation. The high growth potential outpaces inflation, preserving your purchasing power. And third one is portfolio diversification. Combining the stability of large cap and the growth potential of small cap enhances your portfolio. In conclusion, small cap funds offer a thrilling entry into the world of high returns. By understanding the features, benefits, and risks, you can make an informed decision and harness the power of small cap mutual funds for a rewarding investment journey. And that was it for the video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such investment insights. Happy investing!
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.